Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting update that recently coming in the Meta Ads account and that relate to the placement section. And now Meta has given the option to choose as the WhatsApp placement as well. So yeah, this is the good news because WhatsApp engagement, WhatsApp audience are more interactable with our ads if I compare the same with other feeds. So I think this is the game changer now. This will definitely help us to boost up the sale and get quality leads as well. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So as you can see, now we are already running some campaign for our client and they are getting good leads as well. So the thing is, once you click on the add old campaign as well, let me show you the new campaign as well. When you click on the create button, you can choose any kind of objective, whether it's say leads, engagement. Let's choose engagement. And after that, in the placement section, in the placement section of ad set, let me show you that as well. So now I will click on the continue button, and as you can see, in the ad set section you will get the option to target the WhatsApp placement as well. This is the new update which I'm going to show you in this video. One second, it's taking time. And as you can see, in the placement section and the ad set, I have opened the ad set. And in the placement section, if you run some campaign earlier, you will see only these options: Facebook, Instagram, audience network, WhatsApp, thread, Messenger and threads. But now you will get this option as well, the WhatsApp one as well. So these is slowly coming to all the accounts. Now it is not visible, but yes, slowly this will update in all the Meta Ads account and you can use it for advertisement. Whether you are running a lead based campaign, whether you are running a sales campaign, you can showcase your ad to the WhatsApp audience who are on their WhatsApp account. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me to the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much. Bye bye.